everybody, my name is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. My channel is all about being able to empower people to live their dreams. We show people how to live their dreams by learning how to be entrepreneurs. We do reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips. We feel that this information will help you on your path to being able to live your dreams. Remember, knowledge is power, but it's only power when you apply what you have learned. Let's take this journey together because you and we all have dreams that we still want to accomplish and fulfill. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into today's review. The company that we're going to be talking about today is a company called SeneGence. Now, SeneGence, we are looking at their corporate website. SeneGence is a privately owned American MLM marketing company that sells skincare and makeup products, including their name brand flagship product, Lip Sense product line. Now, they're something like Mary Kay and Avon, and they were founded in 1999. Their headquarters are located in California. So right now we are looking at SeneGence's corporate website, and I strongly suggest for you to come visit this website if you are looking to learn more about SeneGence's products or becoming a representative or a distributor for this company. So evidently, if you have found this video, you are thinking about one of the two. So we're going to try to give you some information on this company. Now, once you get introduced to SeneGence, you have an option to become a distributor, sell the products, or just be a customer. Now, if you were interested in their product line, what you need to do is contact a representative. They will come out and do a demonstration for you. You'll be able to shop with a distributor, and if you so desire, you can become a distributor. Now, again, we said their headquarters is located in California. So this right here is a picture of SeneGence's headquarters in California. So like I said, the company has been here since almost 2 decades, since 1999. Now, the founder of SeneGence is Joni Rogers Kente, and she started this journey back in 1995 with a business plan, and when she divorced and became a single parent in 1999, she formed the company. So if you'd like to learn more about the founder of the company, you can get that information on their corporate website. Now, their products that they have at this company, they range from skincare products, anti-aging, SeneGence for men. They have face, eyes, lips, body, spa, hair, abundance of perfume. So they have an array of health and beauty lines. They have the skincare line, the lip, and the face. So you can come and look at their website and see what products fall under those categories. They have body wash, body scrub, body lotion, hand cream, shea butter. So they have a lot of products, and they purport that their products are all natural and healthy. Now, if you look at their products and then you are interested and like their products and are interested in becoming a distributor, to join this MLM company, it's a one-time fee of $55. Then you'll have to purchase one of their distributor packs from $75 to $1,109. Now, they range anywhere from the lips pack, and that's $75. You see, you get some brochures, some products. and this helps you start your business. The next level is the Glamour Demo Pack, and that's a $295. You get everything that's in the Lips Pack, but more product and more brochures. The next level is the SeneGence Training Pack. Now that's $550, and that's a pretty high pack, and you have different products that you can sell from this. So it's anywhere from $75, and you can buy a bigger pack that's $1,000 and some dollars. So it's a little costly to join, but if you enjoy their products, it might well be worth it. Now, there are two, if you become a distributor with SeneGence, there are two ways to earn money. You can sell and make money from your wholesale to retail profit, and then commission income when you start building a team up underneath you. Now, they do have a unilevel compensation plan, and also, like I said, you can come to this site to learn more about their comp plan. I'm not going to go too in depth because it is a lot to go over, and I am leaving the these websites in the description section so you can come back and take a look to see more about their compensation plan. Now, you might want to ask, because you hear a lot about these network marketing companies, is SeneGence a scam? Well, I don't feel that SeneGence is a scam. Like we said, it's been in business since 1999. They've had their ups and downs just like any other company, but I do feel that it is a rock-solid company. And it's ran by a person that has a lot of experience. Joni has a lot of experience in the direct sale industry. So I don't think it's a scam, but if you're interested, I would suggest that you do your due diligence and look and find out a little bit more about the company. But I'm giving you this information because evidently you found this video, so evidently you are looking for information on SeneGence. Now, at this point of my review on a company, I usually give pros and cons about the company. Now, some of the pros in SeneGence is that you don't have a quota. Some of these network marketing companies you get involved in, and you have to have 120 personal volume, 200 personal volume, so you have to buy products. SeneGence, they don't have a monthly quota to be active in their company. If you're looking at their profit margins compared to most network marketing companies, they do have a decent profit margin. Based on their compensation plan, the product discount is about 20 to 50%. 50%, which is the right level in the mid-level for you to be able to make money as you grow your business and sell and market your products. Now, some of the cons I'd like to talk about is that when we looked through the internet, they did not have any income disclosures. They don't have a statement about their company's income. So it would be nice to, know this information to be able to make a real good business decision if you're interested in looking at this company as a business vehicle. Now, some of their products are very expensive, so you have to look at that if you're interested in doing this business, because when you get out into the marketplace and try to sell these products, are these products overpriced for the same competitive products that you can find at, the regular stores at the mall or the Walmarts and things of that nature? So their products are pretty expensive, and this is a very competitive market because you have Avon, Mary Kay, Unique. It's so many health and wellness beauty companies out there. So you're going to have to figure out a way to make your product, SeneGence, stand out from the rest. Now, they do have a low income potential. And sometimes with MLM, it is a struggle for the work and time that you're putting into it, that the income that you derive, is it worth it? So you have to look at that. How can you conquer that hurdle of being able to make some income with this. And that's just as in with any network marketing company. They had complaints about the stock issues when I researched. A lot of distributors had complaints regarding stock being, your product being in stock, and sometimes you have people that order your products and have to wait. So that's a problem that has been out there in the marketplace about this. And just like we had stated, it's a pretty costly to join. To really get solid into this company, it's going to cost almost $500. And then if you want the big training pack, that's another $500. So that's $1,000 and some dollars there. So it's a little pricey compared to a lot of the network marketing companies, but it's all in if you're interested in this company and want to market their products. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is my review on SeneGence. I hope that you have found some value with this review so that you can make a good sound business decision if you're interested in looking at their products or becoming a representative. I hope that you have found some value with this review. If you did get some value with this review, please give me a thumbs up and a like. Please comment on this video because I am really working hard to rise up to a 1,000 subscriber channel, and I would like all the help that you could give me. So I hope that I provided you some good information. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below because I do respond to all my questions. And if you would like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link in the description below this video. Feel free to leave any comments and I will get back with you. With this being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Be sure again to subscribe to my channel. Click that bell icon, give me a thumbs up, and stay tuned for my next video. With that being said, take care and have an awesome day.